Hello, namaste to all the wonderful and beautiful viewers watching my video right now. This is me Dolly and this is candle making tutorial number 88 on my channel. And in today's tutorial I'll show you how to create this beautiful looking candle. So let's start making it. So we need a silicone mold like this, and here I'm having is melted paraffin wax, and we need two paper cups. Okay, so now as you are seeing here that I'm pouring the melted paraffin wax separately into two cups. And guys, here I want to mention one thing, that if you don't have this kind of pink silicone mold which is on the screen, please don't worry, you can pour the melted paraffin wax onto any tray, and then you can cut the rectangular pieces, which is very easy to cut, as I have shown this earlier also in my other videos too. And as you are seeing here that in one cup I'm adding pink color, and in the another cup I'll be adding blue color. Okay, so the color choice is completely up to you. I like these two colors, that's why I'm using these two colors. So mix the color properly, and then let's see what I'm going to do. Okay, so take your time, mix the color properly, but make sure that you have to maintain the temperature of the wax also. And once you mix it well, it's time to pour it into the tray. Oops, I split a little. Sorry guys. And now guys, after pouring the melted wax into the tray, this is a very important point to remember, that you have to demold it within 3 to 4 minutes. That's it. We will not allow it to sit for more time, otherwise it will get set completely and it will become hard, and you cannot create beautiful cloudy shape out of these wax sticks. So you have to work with it while it is hot. So please do it carefully, otherwise you will burn your hand. And now guys, the process of making this beautiful candle is very easy. As you are seeing here that I'm just putting these colored stick out of the mold, and then putting it into the mold like this, and then you have to just press it properly. The more you press, the more beautiful pattern comes out. So pressing is very important guys. And as you are seeing here that I'm using this wooden egg to give a good amount of pressure onto these wax sticks, because the wax is still hot and it is quite difficult to do it with your fingers. So you too also have to search something in your home or in your workshop to give it to give a good pressure onto the wax. So do it like this guys, and just push, and you will create a beautiful pattern out of it. And now guys, as you are seeing here that I have used only two colors, that is soft pink and soft blue. And there is no compulsion of using two color or one color. You can use as many colors as you want, but the process will be the same for each and everything. And if you find some gaps while doing this, it is always very good option to pour some hot wax onto it, and then do whatever I'm showing you here. That's the only thing I want to say guys. Just do whatever I'm showing you here to create this beautiful pattern. So guys, this is it. This is the whole process of making this beautiful artifact candle. Just pressing and pouring the wax. And if you do the same way what I have shown you here, then definitely you will create a beautiful artifact candle, and you can use as many color as you want. And now guys, after doing this, you have to allow it to sit for about an hour, and after an hour it is time to fix the candle wick into the candle. So just follow the process as what I am showing you here. This is the only thing I can say. So guys, after completing all this process, finally it's time to allow your candle to sit at one place and get set completely. It will take around 5 to 7 hours. So demold it after that, and I'll show you how my candle is looking after demolding it. So this is the final result I have in my hand, and I am absolutely happy with my candle. And guys, please don't forget to click the like button if you like the video. I'll come back with another interesting video. And guys, if you want to subscribe my channel, please do. It is absolutely free. And take care guys, do take care, stay at home. Bye bye.